Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Now today I'm going to be covering these two hearts, the little red glittery hearts that I got from the Dollar Tree. And the scarf, the red and pink scarf I had quite a while ago. So I've had it for a long time. So I decided that I wasn't wearing it or doing anything with it. And I really liked the color of it for Valentine's Day. So I said I would just cover one of the hearts with it. And then the yellow and pink blanket here with the little hearts, I got that from the Dollar Tree out of the baby section. So here I'm just going to cover these two little glittery hearts. And they're so good to add, to your Valentine's Day on decor. And here I'm going to just add them in my home on my mantle on each end. And you can put them on your tree if you decorate a tree for Valentine's Day. But here I'm just going to wrap the both of them up, and it turns out really it turns out cute. It was kind of long, and I had to end up cutting it before I got started with, because it's a very long scarf. So anyway, it does the trick for me, and like I said, I think it turned out really cute. And this, if I didn't want to, I wouldn't have had to really actually worry about any of the red showing through, since it was, red already. But I managed to get it covered nicely. And this is the finishing of the covering of it. And guys, let me know in my comment section below, are you guys sticking with the traditional red, pinks, or whatever? Are you going neutral, farmhouse? What colors or decors for Valentine's Day are you doing this year? Let me know. I would love to know what each and every one is doing. I'm kind of like sticking to the traditional colors of red and pink. Really, I shouldn't say traditional, because you can make it be whatever you want to. But in my living room I have a lot of red and pinks. But on one side in my dining room, I'm going with the shabby cheek. I just love it, so I will be showing that later. But I'm tying up little loose ends here that have come loose. I really should have cut more of the scarf because it was so long. So I got some little loose pieces that I didn't like, that I was trying to tie up. But then it turns out nice. And here's the little blanket I was telling you guys about. I got it from the Dollar Tree. It's the baby's blanket. And and I thought it was, excuse me, I thought it was nice. With the different color hearts. So I decided to do something different, and I'm just going to cut it up here and just add, add it to, to my scarf, to my wreath, I'm sorry. You'll be surprised at the different sections of the Dollar Tree, that if you just walking and browsing, that you can just find things to, almost in any section you can find something in the where they keep the animals, supplies at, the little dogs and stuff. You can pick up their little blankets that they have for the dogs, or the little collars. I've used those. So it's just amazing what you can walk through and find that you can do something with, with your decors or whatever. So I do have to add about 3 pieces to this blanket, but I didn't want to have to be fussing with the entire blanket. Is the reason I did cut it. I think I ended up needing about um, three sections for the blanket. And I'll just add my glue to get it started. And like I said, I think I ended up using about three pieces for the blanket. And you can hang it on the wall, or as I say, anywhere you choose to, to put it. You'll be surprised that like where some people add it to, like I say, your Christmas, the Valentine tree, or and with these hearts, depending on how you decorate them, you can have them up all year if you know put your colors to match your decor. Okay, and right here, I'm finishing it. I've just finished adding the blanket to this particular heart here, and I'm just gonna add um, some ribbons and make me a bow to add. I wasn't for sure which way I wanted to go with it, but these ribbons I got, the heart, I should have held it up, I'm sorry, but the ones with the heart here I got from Amazon, and the solid red they're from the no I didn't, I'm sorry, I got it from Walmart, but these other ones with the hearts or whatever I got from Amazon. And so I just added my bow there. I was looking for a solid pink ribbon, and it seems as though all of my ribbons was mixed up, but I do end up finding a burlap pink ribbon to add to my heart, my wreath here. And that's it. I thought they came out really cute. Something very simple. And these, which I lost footage on these little hearts here. They were little wood hearts. As you can see, I did paint them. So I'm using the ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby here. And what I do, I just hang them, put it so that I can hang them. Actually, I hang them from my fireplace. So it turned out really cute, but I did paint them and I lost the footage on that. I do apologize for that. But here I'm just adding the ribbons to the heart so that I can let them hang from the fireplace. I wasn't for sure whether I was going to use my mantle in my dining room or my fireplace in the living room, but either way, I knew I wanted them to hang. I saw someone else, hanging them from there, and I thought it was the cutest thing, so I decided to do that. And they also came out cute as well, so that's what I was finishing up here. Okay, and this is the finishing of my wreath, which I thought they came out so cute, and the bow just made it look so much better. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, and right here I have my little boxes that I got. These two boxes I got from the Dollar Tree, and I also got stencils from Amazon. And so this is what I did for my shabby cheek. Say that 3 times. And print here. So on my writing. So I'm just going to glue it on to the box that I got from the Dollar Tree. And as I said, I used it last year for the fall, and I painted it. So I decided to leave the colors just the way that they were. I had like a celery green and a light gray um, chalk paint. So that I got from Amazon, and I would have that in my description below as well. So right here I just added something very simple and quick that did not take that long at all. And the only thing that I will do is add a bow onto the corner of it, and it turns out very cute to me. Something simple and give you that rustic farmhouse chic look. So I just, all of them I just love. So it turned out really cute to me. And I really love these boxes that I got. I ended up getting about 4 last year from the Dollar Tree, and you can hang them on the wall. You can put them in your tier tray, just anywhere in your home that you'll like. And so the colors I really love, as I said, from um, the, um, the colors that I used, the chalk paint colors. And I had it for the fall last year, which was cute. But I just removed the ribbon that I had in the corner from the fall and just add the ribbon here now. And I just thought something that just don't take but a second. It turned out really nice. And so here I'm just going to remove that I have from the fall and just cut it out and just add it to my to the next box here. And I'm just only using, when I remove this, I just used the and I decided I was going to remove it, but I decided not to, and I just used the glue stick here. Okay, and right here I added the bows to both of them, and I think they came out really, really cute. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, and this is the finishing of my little shadow boxes. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And this is the hanging hearts that I have, that I got, and I put them on top of my fireplace. Please tell me what you think, and again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I thought it came out so cute. I lost footage on painting them, but I think they turned out really cute. Thank you.